if you're uncomfortable with copious amounts of luxury, maybe Singapore Airlines is not the airline for you. What's up, travelers? Before we get into the video, I want to briefly talk about my new partner, Award Wallet. This is the first video they'll be sponsoring, and this will just be a general introduction to the service. Now, I'm sure most of you know about it because it's a really popular product. So firstly, as the name suggests, Award Wallet lets you track your points so you can see across so many different airline programs how many points you have left and when they expire. And this is really valuable because sometimes points expire and you have no idea that they're gone until it's too late. I can just get a notification every time my points are about to expire. Another really useful feature they have, since I'm always confused about my different bookings and I'm like, wait, did I book that flight to go to this connecting leg that I booked? And Award Wallet makes that super easy as well because they have a travel reservation tool. Anytime you make a new travel booking, whether it's a boat, a plane, a hotel, anything where you get an email, if it goes into your inbox and you've synced it with Award Wallet, it will go straight into your Award Wallet account. Another great feature is that they will alert you of any changes to the schedule, to the plane, to your seat. So guys, as always, please support my sponsors, and this time it is a tool that is really so valuable just for keeping track of your life. And I feel like Oprah right now, but you're all gonna get Award Wallet Plus for free for 6 months. So you can use all their services just by using coupon code NonstopDan or going through the description down below. What's up, travelers? Welcome to Singapore Changi's Terminal 3, where I am about to board Singapore Airlines' new A380 for the second time. You guys know I've flown this aircraft before in the new incredible suites. So if you want to see my review of that flight, which was mind-blowing, probably my best flight of all time, you can click in the corner. I don't know which one, but in any case, today we're trying business class, and what's going to be so fun is that we're going to get like the double bed in the bulkhead. So the bulkhead seats, I think there's 3 pairs of them on this configuration, have kind of double beds, the rest don't, but in any case, it's going to be a lot of fun. I just came in on Singapore Airlines business class on the 777 from Seoul, so it will be very interesting to compare. I heard the catering out of Singapore is the best, so I'm super excited to try that and can't wait to take you guys along for the journey with me. So without further ado, let's see what is Singapore Airlines A380 business class like. So here you see the window seats, the center seats, just for a little comparison of what they're like. And we are seated all the way here at the back. There's a little area where you can walk here. And here's my seat, 96F, which is just crazy, such a high number. Alright guys, so I don't know if you saw during boarding, but there's a huge privacy partition that goes up here between the seats in case you want it. Obviously, if you're traveling alone, you're gonna want a window seat, and the ones in the bulkhead have tons more leg space than the normal ones here, where again, you're kind of squeezed into the corner. Let's have a little tour around the seat. We have a little mirror here, which is awesome. A light which just can be adjusted like this, and this beautiful design. I guess there's lights behind the fabric, but in any case we have a weird thing here, but I guess you put your device here while it's charging. You can plug in your headphones. Then we have some nice design thinking here. A little armrest that folds out. All these different seat functions, and push for tables. So let's see, I guess it comes out from there. Yep. Wow. Nice. Then we do have a little more storage here. This tiny little, wait, what is this? Okay, charging port and contactless payment for duty-free and stuff, I guess. More storage around here. We can put a laptop, something nice like that. So yeah, this is a bulkhead seat, which is why it looks a little bit different. We have this beautiful, really thick bedding, because now the bed isn't adjusted in the same way, but you'll see this is unique because all other airlines have side bins on the A380 upper deck, but Singapore Airlines did not install them. So yeah, let's just look down here on a regular seat what it's like. So we do have much more leg room than on the seat on other aircraft, just because we can stretch our legs out underneath. And then for bed mode, we go under there. And let's see, what's this? Oh wow, more storage, like a really big compartment. Again, this quite safe and private. So there's a lot of thought that has gone into this seat. Yeah, here's pre-departure mocktail. So we did have a pre-departure beverage of choice. And here, if you sit in this seat, you can see how insane the foot area is. So this might be the one to get. So just like on the last flight, we have socks, slippers, and eye mask with more amenities available on request. And also, I'm not going to go through the entertainment system too much. All we need to know is that it's really, really good. So Singapore Airlines doesn't have an amenity kit in business class, but you get these amenities when you board, and they have plenty more in the bathroom. I think it's a little bit of a shame that they don't offer kits, since it's always fun as a collectible, but I can see that this is much more environmentally friendly, and it makes you just take what you really need.
Welcome aboard Singapore Airlines. As the safety equipment on this aircraft may differ from that on other aircraft, please give us your attention as we bring you through this important safety briefing and on a journey through Singapore.
Okay, so impressions so far. The seat and the cabin actually give off a very different feel from on Singapore Airlines' other aircraft. Now, I haven't flown their normal A380, so I don't know how the feeling of this cabin compares to that, but on the narrow bodies, it's not narrow bodies, on the single floor aircraft, it just feels much more sort of dark and like a deeper luxury, and here it feels a little bit younger, a little more like they're experimenting, and the seat feels very different, although you still have, as you can see, a lot of privacy because you can't really see anyone around you, which is great. So they've maintained that. They have this screen so you can lean against it, which is what I just did on the last flight. I was like pretty much all the takeoff just lying like this. But in any case, every time I fly Singapore Airlines, I'm like, wow, I wish I lived in Singapore so I had an excuse to fly them all the time, just kind of like Qatar. It's such a blessing to live in a place where it's very convenient to fly a carrier like this. So I hope you Singaporeans appreciate this.
Thank you for your attention. Refer to the safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you for more information. On behalf of Singapore Airlines, we hope you have a great time on board as well as in Singapore or anywhere else in the world we take you.
So our flight time today to Shanghai is 5 hours. And this is what will be served after takeoff. Although, keep in mind, I always order a vegetarian meal, Oriental, which was amazing last time I flew out of Singapore, so hopefully it's equally as amazing this time. These drinks are free, and you can get an unlimited amount until you are intoxicated and the crew think it's time to stop. was just so confused because there's currently a lot of food here, and I was like, why is there no table setting? What's going on? And like this little paper napkin. But it turns out this is just the canopy, the vegetarian canopy to go with the champagne. So this is not even a meal. This is just like a little snack, which is crazy. Also currently watching The Incredibles 2, of course. I'm so excited to finally see this. Alrighty, it is time for lunch. Here's our appetizer, which is some tofu with mushrooms, asparagus, and tomato. And the main course is served, which looks absolutely amazing. This is the Oriental vegetarian meal. And check this out, there's eggplant, but on top of it, I have no idea what this is, but it looks very, very creative. So, as always, amazing creativity with Singapore Airlines on the food front. Guys, this catering is absolutely amazing. I'm just so impressed. Oh my god, you guys, there is dessert today. I'd say it's about 1 in maybe 50 flights where they have desserts for people who don't eat dairy. So this is like a hallelujah moment. Singapore Airlines, the catering just blows everything else out of the water. I am so happy. And now, as if that wasn't enough, it's also time for fruit. I have longan and some grapes. If you don't know, longan is an Asian fruit. I think it's mostly here. That you crack open, and then there's a delicious sweet fruit inside. So I'll dig into those, and Oscar has some other nice fruits. Just finished The Incredibles 2, which was so good. Just like this flight. Guys, sorry to interrupt in the middle of the video, but I just want to give you a reminder of something I said in maybe November or even December, that the American Express Gold Card right now has a limited time sign-up bonus that ends on January 9th. So there's 1 week left to get 50,000 points when you sign up for this amazing credit card in the US. There's so much value to be had from it. You earn tons of points at restaurants, on flights, all those types of things. And what's so great is this flight in the video, Singapore to Shanghai on Singapore Airlines' new A380 business class, costs only 35,000 miles one way. And what's so great is once you get your sign-up bonus on the American Express card, you just transfer those points and the points you earn from every dollar you spend to Singapore Airlines, and you've got yourself a ticket on this flight, which, as you can tell, is amazing already. I'll leave the link in the description. As I said, you have 1 week to take advantage of this offer if you want to get a huge chunk, 50,000 points in one go to start off the new year. So, do you guys want to see something cool? Double bed. This is so amazing. It's not quite as, I guess, I'd say this part is a little smaller than Q Suite, but overall, it's still much more of an actual double bed than I was expecting. It's just really cool to be able to lie like this. Big foot area, beautiful bedding, and if you want to see more epic photos from the seat, make sure you go to my Instagram because there will be several amazing shots over there. So since we only slept 3 hours last night, Oscar, you're in the video. Since we only slept 3 hours last night, we're gonna take like an hour's nap. Good night, and see you when we're almost in Shanghai. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Nice little note from the crew. And one flaw we've noticed here is that the buttons are a little bit screwed up. Sometimes they don't work, so the seat just doesn't end up moving, but I still had a nice sleep. Gonna watch probably one more TV show and then we're gonna land. Thank you so much. Alright, we are approaching Shanghai, 20 minutes left, and I got a soy milk coffee. Yes, they have soy milk on Singapore Airlines. So great, right? Alrighty, we are now 10 minutes from landing in Shanghai, and I think it's about time for some concluding thoughts. It's been such an insane flight. I've learned so much about Singapore Airlines, and the one thing I want to say is that if you're uncomfortable with copious amounts of luxury, maybe Singapore Airlines is not the airline for you, because it's very, very high standards here in everything they do. The service is impeccable. It feels so personal. It's different from Qatar in the way that the crews are more flexible. They're more themselves and show personality, which I really like, but it's still on the same level with such 5-star service that you don't find on any other airlines. The catering on this flight, I think I will say this was my best business class catering ever since I went vegan. The dessert was incredible, the main course was incredible, everything was so good. The seat is amazing, a little bit hard, but overall that's not a huge problem. The entertainment system was great, and I enjoyed The Incredibles 2 so much, so that made the flight even better. But overall, yeah, I seriously think everyone needs to experience Singapore Airlines, guys. This is just, it's so cool that Singapore Airlines is so easily accessible. There's so many routes, so many ways to fly them, and every cabin is impressive, from economy to business to first class. They're all truly in a league of their own, so I can't believe I haven't jumped on the Singapore Airlines train sooner, but I can't wait to fly them again. That's all I'm gonna say. In any case, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. It was so much fun shooting. I feel like I've just bathed in luxury today. I almost feel a little bit out of place. Like, do I really deserve this luxury? What have I done to deserve this? It's such a weird feeling, but thank you as always for watching. I really would have no reason to take this flight without you guys, and you guys keep me going, so I really appreciate it.
Ladies and gentlemen,
and until I see you all next time, fly safe.